Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the transmission fluid in a popular sedan model. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a drain pan, fresh transmission fluid, a new filter if applicable, and a torque wrench. Make sure your vehicle is safely elevated and level. This ensures complete drainage and accurate refilling. Always locate both the drain and fill plugs before you begin. Consulting your owner's manual for the correct fluid type and capacity is crucial for a successful change. Before you start draining, it's a good idea to warm the engine slightly. This helps the transmission fluid become less viscous, allowing it to drain more thoroughly. Position your large drain pan directly under the transmission drain plug. Be prepared for a significant amount of fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old, dirty fluid to flow out completely. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and ensure the pan can hold the full volume.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Changing transmission fluid can be a bit of a workout, so staying hydrated is key. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle. It keeps your drinks cold for hours. You can find a link to it and other fantastic deals in the description below. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now let's get back to the video.
Once the fluid has drained, remove the transmission pan bolts. Carefully lower the pan, as there might be residual fluid inside. Now is the time to replace the old transmission filter with a new, compatible one. Ensure it's seated correctly. Thoroughly clean the transmission pan, removing any old gasket material or debris. Install a new gasket onto the pan, then carefully reattach the pan to the transmission, tightening bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. With the pan and filter secure, locate the transmission fill plug. Begin adding the new, specified transmission fluid slowly using a clean funnel to prevent spills. Add the recommended amount according to your owner's manual. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Shift through all the gears, pausing briefly in each. Finally, recheck the fluid level on a level surface, adding more if necessary until it reaches the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.